There are 15 items dirt cheap at Tractor Supply that the pros always snag before you even get there. It's not because they're paranoid, it's because they know exactly what's going to vanish from the shelves the second things go sideways. Here's the kicker: you've probably seen these items a million times. You walk right past them thinking they look too basic until you know you actually need them. In this list, there's one item under 20 bucks that can guard your entire food supply for months. There's another that looks totally harmless, but is usually the first reason people run into trouble when the world changes. And then there's one thing that almost nobody preps correctly until it's way too late. The question is, what are you missing that you don't even realize yet? Let's get into it. If there's one mistake I see people make constantly, it's not buying the wrong gear, it's the "I'll deal with it later" mindset. Sound familiar? Trust me, I've been there. I bought the giant bags of rice, left them in the original packaging, thought I was good to go. And then one day I opened one up only to find a weird smell and a full-blown bug colony. That's when it hit me I wasn't saving money. I was just procrastinating a disaster. Most people walk into Tractor Supply and breeze past these plastic buckets like they're nothing special. But believe me, these are the currency of stability. See, most folks don't lose their food because they bought the wrong stuff. They lose it because they stored it like amateurs. For less than $20, you're buying a fortress for hundreds of dollars worth of food and gear inside. When things get messy, an airtight bucket is the thin line between a hot meal and a pile of moldy trash. I once left a 20-pound bag of rice in the corner of my garage and thought it was fine, until the local mice decided to throw an all-you-can-eat buffet. Don't be like me. At Tractor Supply, you can find food-grade buckets that are way beefier than those flimsy ones at the dollar store. You can stack these bad boys all the way to the ceiling without them buckling. It's not just a bucket, it's a storage module that makes your garage look like a professional logistics hub. If the bucket is your outer armor, these are the lungs that let your food go into hibernation. Here's a creepy fact for you bugs, and their eggs are usually already chilling in your food bags the moment you bring them home from the grocery store. If you just toss them in the pantry, you're basically running a bug farm in the dark. When you combine Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers, you're effectively evicting all bacteria and insects. Your food, from rice and beans to pasta, can keep its nutritional value not just for months, but for years, even decades. Compared to buying an expensive vacuum sealer where the thin plastic eventually leaks anyway, the Mylar Plus oxygen absorber combo at Tractor Supply is a way better bang-for-your-buck solution. There's something oddly satisfying about heat sealing that bag and feeling that thick metallic foil. You just know your food is safe. That's peace of mind that no luxury item can buy. In a worst-case scenario, you don't need a contractor immediately. You just need to stop your house from getting worse in the next 5 minutes. A tarp is how you save your home before you even get a chance to fix it. A branch hits the roof. A window shatters from high winds without a tarp. The next rainstorm is going to wreck your entire interior. I always keep at least 3 heavy-duty tarps on standby. Tractor Supply usually has those buy one, get one deals, or deep discounts on the heavy-duty stuff. Compared to those tissue paper thin tarps at convenience stores that rip after one gust of wind, the ones here have reinforced grommets that can actually take a beating. Don't wait until the water is dripping on your head to go looking for one, because by then, the store is probably sold out. If you notice, these first 3 items have one thing in common: they don't solve everything. They just stop you from losing what you already have. And that's the foundation. In the next part, I'm going to talk about something much smaller, much cheaper, but it's the glue that keeps this whole system from falling apart. If you're finding this useful, feel free to subscribe, no rush, just so it's there when you need it. There's a running joke in the Stockpile community. You aren't short on gear, you're just short on ways to hold it together. Rope is one of the cheapest things you can buy, yet it's the most overlooked. A spool at Tractor Supply can give you thousands of feet for like 8 to 15 bucks. It's not as sexy as a big power tool or high-tech gadget, but when you need it, you'll use it more than anything else. I once set up a temporary shelter with a tarp and everything was great until the wind picked up. I didn't have enough heavy-duty rope to secure it, and a few minutes later, the whole thing just blew away. That's when I realized I wasn't unprepared. I was just missing one tiny crucial thing. Rope isn't an accessory, it's the skeleton of your setup. You use it to tie down tarps, hang gear away from moisture-secure loads during a move, or even make a clothesline. One spool solves a dozen problems you can't even predict. The best part? No electricity, no maintenance, and it lasts forever on the shelf. Buy it once, use it for years, but miss it once, and you're in for a world of hurt. Finally, in this group, the god of all temporary fixes, duct tape. In a survival situation, fixing it for now means you just bought yourself time to find a permanent solution. Tractor Supply usually carries the farm-grade stuff, the kind where the adhesive is so strong it'll take a layer of your skin off if you aren't careful. This isn't your office supply tape. It's for patching pipes, sealing holes, or even MacGyvering your gear back together. If you can't fix it with duct tape, it just means you aren't using enough duct tape. Once you've got a solid storage base with buckets, bags, and tarps, we're about a third of the way to becoming smart, proactive consumers. But trust me, food and tools won't mean squat if you're missing the one thing your body can't say no to for more than 3 days. If this has been helpful, hit that subscribe button, because next up we're moving into a category that's even more critical. We're heading into water and essentials, where we handle the ultimate survival issue, clean water. All right, let's talk about the one thing that if missing will make all your backup plans crumble in about 72 hours. Water at Tractor Supply. They don't just sell boots and cattle feed, they're hiding absolute treasures that solve your thirst problems like a total pro. Here's a classic rookie mistake, thinking dirty water means cloudy water. The truth is, the most dangerous water is often the stuff that looks crystal clear. I used to be naive about this too. No smell, no color looks refreshing. Must be fine, right, wrong. The things that'll actually wreck you are the ones you can't see: bacteria and parasites. You can go days without food, but you can't stop drinking water, and it only takes one bad sip to send everything downhill fast. A basic water filter at Tractor Supply runs you about $20 to $40. It's not some high-tech wow gadget, but it does one vital job: it removes the guesswork. You don't have to look at a stream and wonder. You just filter it and drink. I was once on a long trip, ran out of bottled water, and was stuck with whatever nature provided. That's when it hit me: without a filter, you're forced to choose between risky hydration or painful thirst. Neither is a win. If a filter helps you drink, these stock tanks are what sustain your entire survival system. Water isn't just for drinking. You need it for hygiene, cooking, and if you've got a small garden, it's the lifeblood of your food supply. Once the tap in your house stops flowing, reality hits you hard and fast. Why Tractor Supply? Because they carry these galvanized steel or heavy-duty plastic polyethylene tanks that are built like tanks. Literally, they're designed to survive a beating from a 1-ton cow and brutal outdoor weather. You can use them to catch rainwater or keep a massive backup supply on hand. Compared to those cheap plastic tubs you find at the mart that'll crack after a few months in the sun, these stock tanks are legacy items. Heck, in normal times, you can even turn one into a cowboy pool to cool off, or a massive planter for aquatic greens. Versatile and indestructible, that's exactly our vibe. Item number 8 is often ignored because people think it's just for elite athletes. But listen to me on this: dehydration isn't just about being thirsty. It's fatigue, dizziness, and losing your grip on the situation. And here's the kicker: you can drink water all day and still be dehydrated if your electrolytes are shot. An $8 to $10 bag of electrolyte powder can make gallons of the stuff. It sounds simple, but it helps your body actually absorb the water, especially when you're working hard, it's blazing hot, or your diet isn't perfect. I used to think plain water was enough, but after a few times working a long day and feeling my body just shut down despite chugging water, I learned my lesson. It's not about how much water you have, it's about whether your body can actually use it. Compared to those overpriced sports drinks at the gas station, these packets are cheaper, simpler, and way easier to stockpile. It's a small item that makes a massive difference when the pressure is on. This right here is the Swiss Army knife of the chemical aisle at Tractor Supply. One item, a dozen survival solutions. For water, copper sulfate is the ultimate enemy of algae and fungus in large storage tanks. Just a tiny amount keeps your backup water from turning into a swampy green mess. For medical/survival potassium, permanganate is even more legendary. It can be used to disinfect wounds, wash veggies, and in extreme cases, you can even use it to start a fire if you mix it with a bit of glycerin. Funny enough, you'll usually find these in the livestock or pond treatment section. The cashier might look at you like a real-deal farmer when you pull these up to the counter. Let 'em look. While everyone else is scrambling for clean water or disinfectant, you've already got the answer in your pocket. Just use them carefully and stick to the dosages. This stuff is potent. Now that the water situation is handled, your body is safe for the moment. But a growling stomach won't let you sit still and strategize for long, right? If you're finding this insider info worth your while, do me a solid and subscribe to the channel. It's the fuel that keeps me digging for these hidden gems for you. Right now, we're moving into a group of items that anyone wanting long-term independence needs to own. This next group doesn't just keep you full, it helps you rebuild your resources right in your own backyard. Let's keep rolling. Once you've got your water and storage sorted, the next step is making sure you don't starve when the supply chain out there hits a brick wall. But instead of telling you to go buy a mountain of instant noodles, I want you to look at items at Tractor Supply that actually offer long-term sustainable survival. If you've stockpiled hundreds of pounds of rice and beans like I mentioned in part 1, your biggest enemy isn't a burglar, it's weevils and ants. And trust me, you do not want to be spraying chemical pesticides all over your food supply. Enter Diatomaceous earth, DE, the ultimate no-chemical pest executioner. DE is basically the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms. To us, it feels as soft as baby powder, but to an insect, it's like millions of microscopic shards of glass shredding their exoskeletons. I always grab the food-grade bag. You can mix a bit into your rice buckets or sprinkle it around your storage area. It keeps your rations safe for years. At Tractor Supply, a 20-pound bag is dirt cheap compared to those tiny jars you find at garden centers. It's an invisible fence protecting your hard work. Throughout human history, salt was often worth more than gold. Why? Because salt equals food preservation, plus electrolytes, and most importantly, it's an incredible barter item. Check this out. A 50-pound block of pure salt at Tractor Supply will only set you back around $10. Now, some people might laugh because this is livestock salt. But remember, salt is a mineral. The plain white salt blocks here are the same stuff you buy at the grocery store. They just haven't been ground up and put into pretty little packages yet. You can break it down to cure meat, preserve fish, or supplement your minerals. In a world where the supermarkets are dark, 50 pounds of salt could trade for a whole lot of other essentials. Stop buying salt by the shaker, start buying it by the block. This is the difference between having a fish and owning the fishing pole. Real food isn't what you buy at the store. It's what you can pull out of the dirt yourself. Why heirloom, unlike GMO, seeds that usually only work for one season? Heirloom seeds allow you to harvest the seeds from this year's crop to plant again next year. That is total independence. Tractor Supply usually has massive seed racks in early spring, and sometimes they clear them out for pennies a pack at the end of the season. I go for the survival staples beans, squash potato stuff that's high calorie and hard to kill. There's a different kind of confidence that comes from picking a tomato grown from seeds you saved yourself last year. It tells you that no matter what happens, your family is going to eat. Start that small garden today. Don't wait until the world goes sideways to start reading the instruction manual for your shovel. So we've got shelter, we got water, and we got a sustainable food source. Everything seems solid until the sun goes down and the lights go out. What are you going to do when there's no power or when a crucial bolt snaps in half? If you're finding these tips useful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the most practical survival hacks. Now we're moving into the final 3 items, the heavy hitters of power and energy. These are the things that'll keep your operation running even when the national grid is nothing but a memory. The final aces up your sleeve to master the game. Let's hit the tools and energy group. We've talked about food and water, but without the energy to process them, you're just sitting on a pile of useless ingredients. At Tractor Supply, there are items whose value isn't in their flashy looks, but in the fact that they will never betray you. There are things you buy for today, but with cast iron, you're buying something that'll likely outlast the house you're living in. Its biggest strength, zero electricity required. You can toss it directly onto a campfire, set it on hot coals, or use it on a heavy-duty propane burner. It handles every heat source like a champ. I've got a Lodge pan from Tractor Supply I bought 5 years ago. The more I use it, the blacker and more non-stick it gets. While those pricey non-stick pans are peeling into your food after 2 years, this cast iron just needs a little oil and heat to be brand new again. It's not just cookware, it's a versatile hunk of metal you can use to bake bread, sear steaks, or even use as a heavy-hitting self-defense tool if things get really weird. Skip the fancy enameled stuff, go for raw cast iron. That's the pro move. Here's a bitter truth. You aren't short on food, you're short on ways to cook it. You can't exactly eat 50 pounds of raw rice from item number 15 right. Unlike gasoline, which can go bad after a few months, propane in a sealed tank has basically no expiration date. It can sit in your garage for a decade and still be ready to roar to life with a single spark. At Tractor Supply, the refill service is usually way cheaper than swapping tanks at a gas station or grocery store. I always keep at least 3 or 4 of the 20-pound tanks on hand. Remember, when the grid goes down, the person with fire is the one running the show. A hot meal doesn't just fill your stomach, it's a massive psychological boost to keep your family calm during a crisis. And here it is, the MVP of the energy group. You aren't just preparing for light. You're preparing for that terrifying moment when you suddenly can't see anything. Panic starts in the dark. A split-second delay in finding your way or identifying a threat can lead to a total loss of control. Don't just buy one expensive flashlight, buy several cheap but rugged ones. Tractor Supply often sells LED flashlight sets or heavy-duty job site lights that can take a serious beating. I stick with the ones that take standard AA or AAA batteries because they're so easy to stockpile in bulk. Imagine it's pitch black, you hear a strange noise in the yard, and you click a button, a powerful beam of light shreds through the darkness. That feeling. That's control. Don't wait until the lights go out to go fumbling around. Tuck these into every corner of your house right now. We've covered tools, food, and energy, but this final item is the one that makes even the most grizzled preppers nod in agreement. It looks totally harmless, maybe even trivial enough to ignore personal hygiene, specifically toilet paper and heavy-duty wet wipes. You think society collapses because we run out of ammo? No. We collapse because we can no longer stand our own filth. You can go hungry for a day, but you can't stand being dirty and unsanitary for more than a few hours in a tight space. That is when morale erodes the fastest. At Tractor Supply, instead of those soft quilted rolls you see on TV, I stock up on those massive tubs of disinfectant wipes or industrial-sized toilet paper. They're cheap, tough, and most importantly, massive space savers. In a scenario where water is limited, one high-quality wet wipe is basically a shower in a box that saves your sanity. It's the difference between a survivor with dignity and someone panicking in a mess. Don't let pride fool you. Stockpile this like your life depends on it. Because at the end of the day, you don't break down because you lacked a gun. You break down because you stopped feeling human. So there you have it, 15 items that are cheap but priceless at Tractor Supply. Hopefully, this list gives you a more realistic perspective. Prepping isn't about waiting for a disaster. It's about creating autonomy for yourself and your family. If you could only pick one item to put in your garage today, which one would it be? Or have you found another hidden treasure at Tractor Supply that I missed? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you, experienced folks. If you found this useful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It's the best way to make sure you don't miss our deep dives into self-reliance and gear management in the next videos. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and entertainment purposes only. The storage and use of chemicals, fuels, or food should be done according to manufacturer instructions and local safety regulations. Always be a smart consumer and be careful with your decisions.